Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to send anyone's post in private message. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Select any of these posts which you want to send. Now tap on the message icon below the post. From here, search for a person whom you want to send this post. You can also write something here. Now tap on the send button. Tap on done. The post has been sent successfully. Tap on the message icon from the top right corner. Now check out the message. And this is the post which you have sent. So that is how you can send anyone's post in private message. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.